Hello, my friends. On today's analysis, that's on BTC, following from what we talked about yesterday, following from what we earlier shared, that the last video, the last analysis we shared on BTC, you can see that, yes, today being the 19th day of July 2022, BTC eventually crossed this very shaded region I was talking about yesterday. Remember, I had told us that I wasn't going to take any long trade until BTC eventually crosses and, of course, closes above this very swing high. And looking at it now, you can see that BTC has actually done that. It has actually gone above that very swing high. Now, the question is, the next thing is it going to close above it? Is it going to close above it? Like I said, I'm not really in a haste to take any long trade. I'm not really in a haste to take any trade. I'm a conservative trader. Okay, so I want to be very certain of whatever it is I'm doing in this market, knowing that anything can always happen. So I haven't really taken any long trade so far. All right, so this is what I'm waiting for. This is what I want to see on the daily candle. Okay, on today's candle, I want to see a close above this 23,100 and this very shaded region. Okay, 23,349, roughly $23,350. I want to see a close above it. But eventually, if it doesn't do that and probably comes to close below 23,182, I think I would have to rethink my decision. If I intend to go long, I would have to rethink my decision to know if it's actually good for me to go long. If it doesn't close above this $23,350, but instead closes below 23,182, just as I rightly showed here. If it closes below this, I wouldn't really be in a haste to go long. Okay, so because I know cryptocurrency trading, sometimes you get a couple of fake outs. I'm not saying this is a fake out, but like I said, I'm a conservative trader. I want to see things play out. I want to take high probability trades. I want to do things that to an extent I can say that this is what is going to happen. Okay, so eventually if BTC closes above $23,350, what would be the likely target? We should be looking at somewhere around 28,000 or probably 30,000 or thereabouts. So that's why this arrow is pointing upwards. If eventually closes above this very shaded region, okay, we should be aiming somewhere around 28,000 to $30,000. Okay, so that's basically that for today. I'll be waiting for this to see how it eventually closes. I'll see you in the next episode, Mr. Solution.